Hey my dear friends, this is Kalam. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate QR code for social media. So now I want to create a QR code for my LinkedIn profile. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile. I am an SEO specialist. If you need SEO service for your businesses, please let me know in comment box or SMS message me on LinkedIn. So I'm going on this Canva. Then here are type of, just click on app. Then here are click on simple QR code, otherwise just QR code. Then select here. So just paste your targeted social media link, example of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Viber, etc. Just put here your link, then click on generate. Here are more customization option, but I want to keep default. Then click on generate codes. Wow, it's already worked. So just go down. Okay, that's good. Now just go on share button, then again click on download, then click on download button. Okay, it's already downloaded on my computer. So now I use this QR code anywhere. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.